Well, I know I show stuff, but it's really like nonsensical sometimes. I've been working on this. This is a it's beta board in a perf board fashion. It's like a layout of what the real PC board would have to have as a way of tracks, using wires and stuffing everything on it, and will it fit, and how would we route them and stuff like that. Now you'll see some wires I haven't got connected yet, but what I wanted to show you was we're running off of that tender, and it's got the big cap and motor, and it did not have the second buckboard, so I put one down here, 5 volts coming in. I got a booster board right there taking that 5 volts to 6 volts, and that 6 volts comes out and goes to the heater, and that's running this LED. That LED is pretending to be the heater. There's the heaters in here, I just didn't have it wired up yet, but the fan was running. It just stopped right when you guys got on. I don't understand, it was working. Anyway, I'll see if I can get it to go again. Oh yeah, there it kicked. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, it kicks on and off. I'm not sure what. We don't have all the sensors working, so it could be that. There's also potentiometers that go in for this. That's puffing, pulse puffing, sort of. Okay, so the Hall effect switch is reading the magnet on the wheel. That's working. We got the heater lit up. That's working. The fan's turning. That's working. And all that means is this chip in here, this tiniest little triangle thing, is a microcontroller. It's a computer, a mini computer, and it's sitting in here, and it's doing all of this stuff autonomous. It's just on its own. It reads the RPMs, it reads the temperature, it reads the RPM. Oh, the trigger for the puff. It sees that magnet flying around. And there's some other stuff that it thinks about, and then it executes. It sends a pulse to the fan, it sends a pulse to the heater, and it sends a pulse. No, that's it, just those two things. We have a capability of one more pin out for a soundboard, and we're going to do that probably this coming week. Now that this thing is fairly built and tested, I need to finish out adding all of the stuff. Here's the board. Oh, I should open that up for you. We got the new shields in from Brad Farmer in Georgia, and they are just gorgeous. I had to make a little tweak, and we're gonna coordinate. I gave him some bad poop, and but I can fix them. It's just the bending thing, and so we're gonna work that out. If not tonight, tomorrow. At any rate, the shield's in place, and I think it's going to smoke like crazy because it acts like it's just a better construction. My hand-built stuff was just awful. It was just pathetic. He has a laser cutscene, and then he machine tool shop, so he can build his tools for the dies and form it. The part came out beautiful. Anyway, so this is running, and this engine will get the smoke put in it. We'll get the soundboard put in it, and all of the other stuff hooked up. And this is not the right lower skirt. We call that the lower body, lower frame rail. The lower frame rail will be more conventional. This is for the Streamliner, the baby blue. But I'm gonna switch that out and put in the normal one, and it'll have a front truck, it'll have a rear truck, it'll have an engine on it. Well, it'll have the Casey Jones engine, sort of chopped up, but it'll be on there. It will smoke out the top, and it'll have a headlight, and I have to cut the windows in the cab and stuff, but at any rate, it's that'll take a while, but we'll get there. It's this chassis and the motor is Casey Jones from Steve at Train Parts. I think he's in Connecticut. I've been way late. I thought I could do this in a month or two. It's taken me 6. It's just I hit holes, you know, and I go down deep. So at any rate, we got it, and it's going to be cool. I'll finish this up this week. By next weekend, I should have this thing pulling cars, and I'm real excited. I don't know what I'm going to have it pull, but it's going to be fun. without a body on it, I had it pulling 20 boxcars. A Casey Jones pulling 20 boxcars. One guy was telling me he had 4 on it and it lugged it down. It was terrible. It just didn't work well at all. But we've done our re-engineering process. Every aspect of this engine has been studied and thought about, and we've tried our best to give you a real AC Gilbert engine, not something else. So I'm hoping the re-engineered Casey Jones will be interesting to you guys. All right, I'll go get ready for supper, and man, my eyeballs are frying from staring at these wires and jump marine and stuff like that. Oh yeah, it'll go. It'll scream. It will go, and it'll chug, and go good, and it'll chug. It'll be fine. It's gonna be great. All right, later, gang.